Hi everyone, I'm Snow. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to launch my new monthly budget series. In 2025, my goal is to save 25k. So I'm going to name this new series 25k for 2025. If you watched my previous budget video, you know that I usually do this video quarterly, but I'm hoping for this year we can change it to monthly so I can provide more frequent update of my expense, income, and cash flow. If you watched my previous video, you know that I usually have my expense by different month, and I have a summary sheet for my total expense and another sheet for my total disposable income. What's different this year is that I decided to design a template in a format that's better for Power BI. So now all the months will all be in this one giant flat table. Same as my income, I'll add all my year and date here. Some of those columns are drop down and some of them I can just input information in it. So this is how I track in my Google Sheet. And without further ado, let's look at my January 2025 expense, income, and cash flow. First, let's look at my total income. I earned $13,257 this month, and that's largely due to that it's a 3-paycheck month. I could have made more, but my work found out they overpaid me during my maternity leave, so now I'm paying some money back. That's why my paycheck got lower, but with the 3-paycheck and the rental income from both houses, I was able to make $13,257. And I'm hoping for future videos, once I'm more familiar with Power BI, I'll show more details of my income. And then with my total expense, I spent $7,885. And then if you look at the pie chart down below, I broke it down by categories. As you may see that I spend the most on housing, over 65%. And I spent quite a bit on our car and utility in January. That's because in January, it was the month to renew our car insurance. And that was about $500. So that's 8%. And then utility, we received our utility bill from the city. I paid for one house, and then there's another house waiting to be paid in February. And then grocery 7%, other 6%. On the right side of the dashboard, on the top, you may see that I used the gauge chart, and I set the goal for this year, as I mentioned earlier, $25,000 for 2025. And that's where the green line is. And then the $40,000, that's the dream goal. If I live my life really carefully, that could be a goal. If I can reach the $40,000 goal, then maybe this year I'll reward myself with a big gift. But for now, let's say $25,000 is the target. And in total, I saved about $5,372. Not too bad, since I got 3 paychecks this month. I don't think I'll be able to save that amount each month, but it's a very good start for January. And then at the bottom, right now you pretty much see the same information that's already seen on the top left. You can see that in January I made $13,257, and then my expense is $7,885. I'm hoping this chart will become a historical chart, so you'll see January, February, March, so you can see some comparison. Once we hit February, there'll be more information on the chart. In my previous videos, I always give you a quick rundown of my expense. That's why I included this little card here. Using this, I can show you by year, month, day, category, description, and the cost. I'm not going to too much details. Let me know how you like this format and the way to show you the expense. I can always create another tab in order to show you more details, or you feel like this is enough. Well, that's an update for my January 2025. I hope you enjoy this new format. If you like this video and find it helpful, please give it a big thumb up. If you have any question about my Google Sheet, Power BI, please leave in the comment section below. Please subscribe to this channel to follow my 25K in 2025 journey. I would really appreciate it. Let me know your saving goal for 2025. I would love to know. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.